DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over a very boring white Ikea desk using Redesign with Prima's clearly aligned decor stamps and their beautiful decor transfers. I love this company. Everything they make will transform your furniture into something amazing. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this project, and leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, and I will get back to you. Are you ready? Let's make over a desk. Redesign with Prima is seriously one of my favorite companies. They make amazing products. Definitely check them out if you want to add some pizzazz to something boring or refurbish a piece of furniture. A decal is a plastic, cloth, or paper substrate with a printed image that can be moved to another surface with the aid of heat, water, or pressure. The word is short for decalcomania, which is the English version of the French word décalcomanie. Very fancy. Just a quick reminder to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. I love chatting with you guys in the comment section. It lets me know that you're out there and watching my videos. Thanks a lot. Ingvar Kamprad founded Ikea in 1943 at the age of 17, selling household goods like pens, wallets, and picture frames. And I really hope I'm saying his name right. The origin of the very first rubber stamp has been widely debated over the years. It's said, however, that Charles Goodyear invented it when he accidentally dropped some rubber and sulfur onto a stove. I'm not really sure how something like that happens, but there you go. I'm going to leave a link to everything I use for this project in the description below. Make sure to head over to Redesign with Prima. I think you're going to love their products. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll love the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I will see you next week. Bye.